Hi, welcome to this channel. This is a very new channel, so please do show your support by subscribing these channels. You can visit my about section to know the benefit of subscribing this channel. Now coming to the topic. Recently Coursera has announced two different initiatives. One is Coursera Campus Response Initiative and the second is Coursera College and University Response Initiative. Two category. First is for faculty and administrative staff, and second is for college and individual university students. So the first category, known as a Coursera Campus Response Initiative, it is for the faculty and administrative staff who need to move their curriculum online and serve the many students or entire campus. And in second category, that is for college or university student, an individual college or university student can register for. This initiative provides each and individual to access more than 3,800 courses and more than 400 specialization courses, and also many professional courses provided by the various universities throughout the Coursera. There is only one major requirement, that you should have a verified university or college email account or university college email ID. Now in this video I will lead to the process of registration, and also we share important topics and also tips. Both link in description box. If you are in first category, that is a faculty member and administrative staff, then you should click on first link, that is coursera.org/coronavirus. And if you are in second category, that is individual students from college and university, then they should click on the second link provided in the description box. Now coming to the first category, applications. Official process, faculty members should read the FAQ section, because there are many things have been mentioned, many policy also mentioned for them. And after you have done with reading FAQ section, you can directly click on the link that is get started, and then you write down your first name and last name, and the major thing is that your work email address. And after registering you will get an confirmation email ID on your email. We provide institute email ID. Remember one thing, here you cannot use a Gmail Yahoo account. You have to provide a verified university email ID. After providing the email ID and clicking on start, is within a few minutes or in an hour, you will get an mail from the Coursera committee. From that they will be providing a link, a specific link. From there you have to create your account and verify your accounts. After this you will get an email on your institute email ID. Then they will tell you the simple step. Then you will be provided a link. From there you have to complete the rest of the process, which is more likely to similar that first category. And also provide a specific link which you can copy and share within your group and your friends and colleagues, so they can also join the course. Now coming to the important point for both category. The first thing is that candidate and individual person should enroll, create their profile before 31st of the July. And second point is that they should able to complete the course before 30 of the September to get a verified certificate from Coursera community. If you like this video, please do support this channel and share within your group, and let me know in comment box what other resources you want to know, so I can make a video on that. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.